If you are watching this video, then probably you are having problems in My Defi Pet. So today, we're going to tackle what happened this time around in My Defi Pet, why they are still in maintenance again, and what caused the maintenance, which is being officially announced into their Facebook page. But before we start into this video, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates. So let's just go forward here, okay? So this is the official announcement. Dear Pet Masters, they are under DDoS attack. So some users cannot log in the game. So the objective of a DDoS attack is to prevent legitimate users from accessing your website. And for a DDoS attack to be successful, the attacker needs to send more requests than the victim server can handle. So My Defi Pet will schedule the temporary maintenance to prevent from DDoS attack and update server, and they will announce when the maintenance is totally done. So I'm now pretty much sure that DDoS attack is being common issue in My Defi Pet, and as you can see here, they are getting a lot of laughing reacts, okay? And some people into the comment section, Filipinos particularly, are saying that it is already, there's only 15 days left for the quarter 3, and will they be able to cater what is inside the roadmap? Okay, so there's also another comment from Edison. So he's saying, well, what we can expect from My Defi Pet, too many excuses and reasons. They got hacked recently, they're having the Independence Day and stuff, the developer got COVID, and now they are having the DDoS attack, and what's probably next. And he is saying that only the king and queen is the successful event. Then of course just release more pageant, because if that's just the successful event. And I'm pretty much, as a player as well, we cannot deny that we have some frustrations regarding in My Defi Pet, particularly into the game wherein they release their world boss, and then there's too much gas fees and people cannot just earn money from that part. And also this upcoming hunting event, I actually tried 3 pets yesterday, and I was just stuck into in progress, and it doesn't even go forward. Okay, so that's pretty much a big problem. So it's not like it's not like I'm negative into this game, but it's like I just really feel like there's too much bugs right now that they need to fix. And given that they are releasing this play to earn games one by one, I think they really need to do their absolute best on this kind of stuff, because this, I mean, they can say, or a lot of supporters can say that this is like part of the process, but I mean, it's also giving a pretty much bad impression for those new people who wants to try out into this game. And we cannot deny that a lot of them have a high expectations, and some of them are actually like, you know, I mean, because this coin has really got big enough to be criticized enough. And also this is not like an issue that is not like being correlated all the time. That's what I'm saying. And it's not my perspective, my perspective, but rather this is pretty much the voice that I am seeing whenever I see the comments, okay, in Telegram, in Facebook. Although they are banning this kind of foods into the server, into the community, we cannot deny that a lot of people now are disappointed, and they're just looking forward into the marketplace so that they can sell everything. Even me, I just really feel that I should just hold the coin, maybe, because currently I am not enjoying that much right now inside the game, because there's a lot of bugs. there's a lot of rollbacks and stuff, and sometimes the maintenance, the compensation is not even enough. Also, the turnaround time of those compensations are really late. So we do understand that there are a lot of people that are playing into this game, but I mean, I just really feel that it is just too much excuses for me. Like, I mean, it doesn't. I don't really matter. Like, I don't really care what happens into this one. I do only invest a small amount of money into this game. But what I just really care is about, like, the reputation and the credibility of the game. And I just really hope for the best for them, because I mean, it's also a waste for me if I'm not going to be utilized. I'm not going to utilize fully my rare pets, because I already have rare pets inside this game, like the rarest of them all. I do already have it here, and I just really feel like it's pretty much nonsense for me. It's like, I should, like what I've said few minutes ago. I just really had this kind of feeling wherein maybe I should have just hold on into the coin. Maybe I've just like invested into this coin. Maybe I've just bought maybe $2,000 or $10,000 worth of tokens, and then I've just like sold it once it goes high, because quality base, it's just full of bugs. And yup, we cannot deny that there's a lot of people that are trying to play this game. But I mean, I just really hope for the best, because I mean, I just, of course, those money is still like worth valuable to a lot of people. And also, even though you don't treat game as an investment, okay, they should like cater this good, what do you call that, they should really cater more into this game. Because if we're going to look forward into the website, okay, I even like support them all the way, okay, I'm not going to deny it, okay. And as you can see into the team, they're even the leaders in game love and stuff. I mean, I do understand that blockchain is really challenging, but I mean, I think they can do better than this, because they are from game love. I mean, when you're working into this kinds of big companies like game love, you pretty much like the king of them, of the app, of the game companies out there, because this is a publisher that is specializing in games, right? So assuming that you've worked here, you're really talented, and you will be able to help whatever team that you are belong. You're going to be able to help people, or like the game as well, to just run smoothly. Because I'm not going to compare them into Axie Infinity, but I feel like Axie Infinity is doing a really great job on into their network, into their development, because we can see that these two games are having, what do you call that, almost same amount of volume of users. Okay, maybe My Defi Pet has lacked some, but in terms of Axie Infinity, I mean, I think the developers are doing their really good job on those. Because I mean, this kind of problems, like what happened in My Defi Pet, it happens once maybe in Axie Infinity. There's also a problem in Axie Infinity wherein you are not able to play into their game because of the server's issues and stuff, and they've already fixed it in the span of 2 weeks. And I just really feel that those maintenance that happened in My Defi Pet, okay, just didn't really make sense that much at all. I mean, they've fixed it, but they really pretty much not improving as fast as what I am expected, as what people are expecting. Okay, so I hope you understand what I'm saying right now. Maybe you are a Filipino and you are not that fluent enough, or you're not knowledgeable on what I'm saying. But in terms of like the game, I just really feel that if you're going to play My DeFi Pet, you just like want to shell out a small amount of money. I mean, I'll still prefer Axie Infinity than anyone else. Like, I mean, not comparing them on My DeFi Pet on Axie Infinity, but I just really feel that in a lot of play-to-earn games right now, Axie Infinity is the number one in terms of maintenance, in terms of the team behind this, also the developers that are behind this, and if you are trying to, of course, to invest, maybe I just really feel that it doesn't matter if you are joining in My DeFi Pet in the early stage. What matters here is that you put money here once everything is going smoothly. You don't put money or you don't play this game when there's a lot of bugs and there's a lot of excuses that are coming in, that they are into the alpha stage and stuff. And if you're going to compare this, I mean, they are also into the alpha stage, but they're doing the best of their jobs on this. This is not a bash. This is not a FUD. This is more like a constructive criticism that I'm going to give into this game, because I am receiving as well a lot of bash from everyone that are commenting into my YouTube, and I'm just really protecting, and I'm just also giving my freedom of speech, also my opinion on this as a gamer, not as a promoter, not as a someone who wants to gain more viewers into this, but also just like giving you guys the points that you need to know before you go into this My DeFi Pet. Because in my case, I just really got turned off right now. I mean, I've already like tolerated what happened into the world boss, but into this part, I mean, this is just, I just really feel that they are slacking off. Okay, so I hope you understand, and this is just my perspective. It is not also a financial advice, okay? And also, if you like my content, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome update, and see you on my next video.